Hello guys, today I'll tell you about Facebook tips and tricks on 2022. Facebook is #1 social media site and its use is increasingly rapidly. So here I share the most searched Facebook tips and tricks. So must use the best Facebook tips and tricks in 2022 to change the way using Facebook nowadays. And the #1 is you can create posts with many colorful background right here. You can choose there's a lot of color, or you can also add a background here, or fully you can click this 4 box. This is the popular background that you can choose, and this is the new background, and this more background that you can click, and you can also create post, for example good morning or anything. And you can see this is an emoji. You can add the emoji too to this good morning, just like that. This is a lot of emoji that you can see completely. It's like our phone keyboard. And we can tag people as before, and we can tell how we are feeling, so happy, blessed, sad, thankful, sleep. And this is will display is feeling thankful or anything, or maybe you are celebrating something, celebrating a birthday maybe, or anything. It's like that. This is a feeling activity that you can customize according that you want. And you can add a location. For example, I want to use this Indonesia. It's like that. Okay. And next tips is, if you are looking for Facebook and you see this is the video that autoplay without you click anything. It's like we scroll down and this autoplay, and how to turn it on. You can do this step. You can go to your profile here, and you can see the setting and privacy section here, and you can click, and you can click again setting and leave, and you can go to down below, find the video section. You can see this is the autoplay videos. It's autoplay video, and this is on, and we can turn this to off. And now when we are looking a video from Facebook, is not always autoplay, and we must click the play button first. For example, it's like this. It's not autoplay, right? It's like this. We must click first. It's like that. And then the next tips and trick we can do in Facebook is we can do a flip text. It's like hello every. Flip text, you write upside down text. We can click any text that we want. Hello guys, And this is the flip text that we can copy paste to our post. It's like that. This is write down text for fun, and you can pause it and it look different from others. It's like that. More, it can make your post more unique than before. And it's like that. Maybe Facebook tip and trick that we can use in Facebook 2022. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.